Today, I'm going to teach you how to format a quote in Substack. Whether you're writing an article, a newsletter, or sharing someone else's words, knowing how to properly format quotes will make your content look more professional and visually appealing. First, you'll want to head over to your browser and type in substack.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly, as this will give you access to all the editing tools you need. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You should see a button labeled Create. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Article. This will open up a new blank post where you can start writing and formatting your content. Now, in this blank article space, type out the phrase or sentence that you want to format as a quote. It could be something you wrote yourself, a line from a book, or a statement from an interview. Just type it in as you normally would. This is the text we're going to transform into a formatted quote. Once you've typed it out, the next step is to highlight the text. Click and drag your cursor over the entire phrase or sentence you want to quote. You'll notice it gets selected and the text editor toolbar appears at the top of your screen. This toolbar contains all the formatting options Substack offers. On the top toolbar, you'll see a quote icon. Click on it and you'll notice two options appear. First, let's try blockquote. Go ahead and click on blockquote. You'll immediately see your text shift into a blockquote format, which typically indents the text and styles it differently from the rest of your article. This format is great for longer quotes or when you want to set the text apart clearly. Now, let's explore the other option. Highlight the same text again by clicking and dragging over it. The toolbar will reappear at the top. This time, uncheck blockquote and instead, click on pull quote. You'll notice the formatting changes once more. Pull quotes are usually more visually striking and are often used to emphasize a key point or statement within your article. They stand out more prominently on the page. Now that you've seen the difference between the two, you can choose which style suits your content best. Block quotes work well for traditional citations, while pull quotes are perfect for highlighting impactful statements. Play around with both and see which one fits the tone and flow of your article. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.